In this evening's Ray of Hope, one household is now 2 degrees hotter. We spotlight Heather Esson-Reece and Xavier Reece, a mother and son duo that graduated from the Northern Caribbean University, earning Bachelors of Science degrees in Business Administration. Romardo Lyons has their story.
The mother, graduating on the same day, caps, gowns, degrees of umbilical proportions.
It was an emotional moment for me, watching my mother walk across that stage.
Seeing him accomplish something he had worked so hard for filled me with, a great sense of joy.
Both earned a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, with Mrs. Reece specializing in accounting and her son Xavier specializing in finance.
I knew it was going to be a very special and surreal moment. Graduating university on its own is already an achievement, but to be able to share that journey and actually walk across the stage together made it even more meaningful.
I know the challenges and the sacrifices that come with pursuing a degree, so watching him cross that stage made me reflect on how far he had come.
A sentimental journey that ended with 2 degrees, but it took some degree of fighting when Mrs. Reece's health issues threatened to derail the entire experience.
The health challenges and all the times that she had to keep pushing forward in spite of. Seeing her accomplish that goal made me extremely proud. I wasn't just witnessing my mother graduate. I was watching someone who I admire achieve something she worked hard for.
Mrs. Reece has sickle cell anemia, a genetic blood condition that changes the shape of red blood cells. This affects the entire body. Her last flare-up was in June 2025, and studying and completing assignments became hectic.
Dealing with health issues, there was a lot on my plate while studying, and I stayed motivated because they was always proud of me, and knowing that we were both working toward our degrees gave me an extra push.
She admits, though, that staying the course was easier said than done.
I definitely had moments when giving up seemed easier, but what kept me going was remembering why I started. I wanted to prove to myself that I could accomplish this.
I wasn't just witnessing my mother graduate. I was watching someone who I admire achieve something she worked hard for.
It made for a great time for her son, who had company throughout his university experience.
We were more of a team. Of course, we would have conversations here and there about how we performed in exams, but it was never about trying to outdo each other. If anything, we pushed each other to do better.
For both, the ultimate lesson had nothing to do with business.
It goes to show that determination isn't just something we talk about. It demonstrates it with your actions. And seeing her continue even when things were difficult gave me an even greater level of respect and admiration for her.
Us as mothers, we often put everyone else first and put our own dreams on hold. But if getting an education is something you really want, go for it.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Romardo Lyons.